Alright, so yan nga yung naging result ng trade signal natin kagabi. Kung napanood nyo yung video na pinost natin before the FOMC, we do have two entry, no? It's either the buy stop if there's a break above the 4360 level, which is nagkaroon niya, no? Pero yun nga na SL tayo dyan. But kung enter kayo ng buy limit na order natin, which is at around 4230, yan, and hindi nga siya na SL, so right now it's around 4324. So mas malaki pa rin yung naging running natin as compared sa na SL natin. And of course, this is a position trade, and it's very risky to trade the high impact use and FOMC. But if you are trading this with your risk management na intact, no? Kumbaga may SL ka, pero yun nga, kahit may SL ka, kung talagang may slippage, no, malaki pa rin yung mawawala sa'yo. But of course, with proper lot sizing and setting our expectations, medyo mamamanage natin yun. And yun yan, nagbunga yung ating puyat, no, sa FOMC na yan. So lagi yan 2 AM nag-a-announce sila. So by the way, niretain nila yung interest rate at 3.75, like what I mentioned sa forecast. And by the end of the year, they are expecting a rate hike. Okay, tataasan pa nila, which is, sabi ko nga na it's already priced in, pre-priced in na ng market yan. So what they are pricing in right now is yung rate cut next year. Okay, so next year naman, by the end of the year, they are going to cut rates up to 3.6%. So medyo konti lang, pero yun nga yung pina-price in nitong market na to. And with all the fundamentals, with US and Iran war ended, yun, sana magtuloy-tuloy na yung pagtapos niyan. So doon na medyo pataas na ulit si gold, yung trajectory niyan. So with inflation going down and also with oil supply going down, so medyo babalik na sa normalcy yung lahat, no. So gold continue going up, and with the equities going up as well. Dollar will still hold their position, of course. And ayun lang, no, just want to share this, itong entry na to. So talagang napakahaba. This is an H4 time frame. Okay, so this position trade, abang talaga tayo dyan. So ito, pakita ko lang, no, meron kasing gap dyan, and yan nga yung binalikan ni gold. So it's not always the case, but most of the time, yung mga gap na yun, mga gap up na yun, lalo na yung ganyang kalaki, nababalikan talaga. So that's the reason why we have our buy limit there. So that's it. If you want to learn more about forex trading, nandiyan lang yung link na sa bio, and you can give me a message there. Also, we do provide we give trade signals and trade ideas sa Telegram community. So see you there.